Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are fine and safe.
Our today's topic is working with Windows 10. Computer needs an operating system to do work, so it is necessary to put operating system into the computer. Microsoft Windows 10 is an operating system that works like a manager that manages the computer system, and it is launched by Mr. Bill Gates, who is the founder of Microsoft company. It is widely used around the world, and it is a graphical user interface or GUI based operating system because it shows you graphics and pictures to do actions that perform by just clicking the mouse buttons. Now, features of Windows 10. This includes new set of pictures, themes and icons. It provides improved search tool called Cortana, which help you to interact with device by using your voice, and it also simplifies the multitasking. It includes the features of both Windows 7 and Windows 8, and it provides task view button which allows you to open multiple windows at the same time. Working of Windows 10. When we start the computer, Windows 10 will automatically start within seconds, and the main screen that appears is called desktop. Now, Windows Desktop. It contains useful and frequently used items or programs. There are mainly three things that you see on the desktop, that are icons, wallpaper and taskbar. Icons of Windows 10. Icons are small pictures that we see on desktop. They represent programs, files or folders. When we double click them, a new window will open. Examples of icons are this PC, Recycle Bin, Internet Explorer and so on. First icon is this PC. It helps us to work on different drives and folders that stored information inside a computer. Second icon is Internet Explorer. It helps us to connect internet. Next is Recycle Bin. It stores the deleted files and folders. It is like a paper basket. We can arrange icons in a desktop by following steps. First, right click on the desktop, then select view option, then click on auto arrange icons. This will arrange icons in alphabetical manner. Next is sorting the icons. Sorting means arranging icons in a proper order. We can sort icons by right clicking the desktop, then select sort by option, and after that you can select any of the options like name, size, item type or date modified. How to select an icon? We can select an icon by taking the mouse pointer to the icon, then press the left mouse button once. After clicking the mouse button, the icon color changes. How to deselecting an icon? We can deselect an icon by moving away the mouse pointer to the desktop area and press the mouse button once. After clicking the mouse button, it changes into its original color. Next feature is taskbar. It is a long horizontal bar present at the bottom of the desktop, and it is divided into three types. First is Start button. It is present at the left corner of taskbar. By clicking the Start button, you can see a list of programs, and you can start any of these programs, and also you can shut down the computer from it.
Second is middle section. It shows the currently open programs, and you can access any programs that are listed here in a single click. Last is notification area. It is present at the right side of taskbar, and it includes features like clock, network connectivity, battery, and volume.
So children, we will learn something new in our next video. Till then, bye and have a nice day.